Welcome to this Jamb class. I'm solving Jamb past questions, and to get these videos every day as I'm solving them, do want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell notification icon for more videos. Now let's solve. The first question says, in a class of 40 students, 32 offer mathematics, 24 offer physics, and 4 offer neither of those. How many offer both of the subjects? So we are going to draw a Venn diagram. This is a Venn diagram, and it has two subsets. Now, the subsets are, in this question, mathematics and physics. Those are the subjects we are looking at. So we can label this M for mathematics, P for physics. This middle point is how many of them are offering both mathematics and physics. However, that is the problem we are trying to solve. We don't know it, right? So let's call this X. Okay, now they said 40 students are in that class. That is the universal set. You can write U equals to 40, the universal set. And then they say 32 offer mathematics. However, there are part of those 32 that offer physics that are also offering mathematics. So this remaining part of this Venn diagram is 32 minus X. 32 offering mathematics minus those offering physics. While for the physics side, 24 offer physics. This remaining part is 24 minus X. 24 offering physics minus those offering mathematics. And lastly, they said 4 do not offer any of them. They offer neither. So I'm going to write it outside of the subsets. How do we get our answer? This is what we'll do. Add up everything here and equate it to 40. So we have 32 minus X plus X plus 24 minus X. Don't forget your 4 plus 4 equals to 40. So let's collect like terms. This is X, X, and S. They will go together, and then we have 32 plus 24 plus 4 minus X plus X minus X equals to 40. 32 plus 24, that's 56, plus 4, that's 60. Okay, so that's 60 minus X plus S is 0. Then we have minus X is equal to 40. Now we collect like 10, bring 60, translate it to this other side. Here becomes minus here. So this is minus S equal to 40 minus 60 minus S equals to minus 20. Divide both sides by minus, and then this cancels this. Divide by minus 1. Cancels. Therefore, X, the number of students that offer both subjects, is 20 students. Let's go to number 2 question. Now, this is the second question. Find the range of values of X for which this minus this is less than 4. This is an inequality problem. Okay, there are different methods, but what I want to do is to find the LCM of 4 and 3, and then I'll multiply each of these terms by the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 3, this is how I look for LCM. This is 4 and this is 3. So what can divide 4 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then we just write 3. Still use 2, 1, 3, then use 3, 3, 1, 1, right? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. That's the LCM. So multiply each of these terms by the LCM. Now we have 12 times x plus 2 over 4 minus 12 times 2x minus 3 over 3 is less than 12 times 4. I hope you can see that. And then we divide this by 4. This is 3. Divide this by 3. This is 4. So this will become 3 times x plus 2 minus 4 times 2x minus 3 is less than 12 times 4 is 48. So expand the bracket. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. That's plus 6. 4 times 2 is 8. That's minus 8x. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus times minus is plus. So this is plus 12 less than 48. Let's start collecting like terms, all right? I see that this is 6, 12 whole numbers, and then we have 48. So let's move 6 and 12 to the right hand side. Here we are left with 3x minus 8x is less than 48 minus this 6 minus 12, and then this is minus 5. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. X less than 48 minus 6 minus 12. Minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18. So 48 minus 18, that's 30. 30. So we are dividing by both sides by minus 5. Just we cancel this. Now take note, when you are dividing an inequality by a negative number, this sign changes to the opposite direction. So where this is less than now, since we are dividing by minus, it's going to be greater than. So this becomes x greater than 30 divided by 5 is 6. And then we have minus 6. So that's question number 2. Let's go to number 3. Okay, so number 3 happens to be a matrix problem. A matrix problem. This n is equals to, this is a 3 by 3 matrix, and then we are told to find this. This is called determinant of n. These two symbols close to n means determinant of this matrix. So determinant of n, we are going to put it like this: 3, 5, minus 4, 6, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2, 2, and 1. And then we are told to find the determinant. This is how you do it. Okay, please let me take this upwards. Solution. Let's write it here. There's something I want to write. Take note, the sign we are going to be using, they follow this progression: plus, minus, and plus. Okay, that's the progression of the sign. We will use it. You watch. So this is equal to, first of all, take 3, and then we form new matrix determinants. If you take this 3, just break this out, remove this, and this side, we have the things we have left here. Those are the things I'm going to write. So that's the process we'll follow. Minus 3, sorry, minus 3, minus 5, 2, 1. Now look at what I'm going to write. This is minus, the sign attached to it is minus, right? So you write minus 5, the same thing, break this out and take the 1 up, take the center out. We have 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5, minus 2, 1. And lastly, plus, right? However, there is a negative attached to 4. And then plus times minus is minus. So what I'm going to write is minus 4 into, remove this side now, and my left is 6 minus 3 minus 2, 2. So let's break it down. This is equal to 3 into, I'm going to write it in bracket now. This is how you do matrix determinants. 1 times minus 3. That's what you write. Then minus 2 times minus 5. 2 times minus 5. Minus 5 into 1 times 6. Minus 2 times minus 5. Yes, that's the progress. That's the pattern. Minus 2 times minus 5. Then lastly, minus 4. 2 times 6. Minus 2 times minus 3. So this is 3 into 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. Minus, and 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Minus 10 times minus is plus. So that's plus 10. Minus 5 into 1 times 6 is 6 minus. Minus 2 times minus 5 is 10, because the minus, they become positive. Now, this is now minus 10. Okay? Minus 4 into 2 times 6, 12. Minus 2 times minus 3 is 6. And then we have minus here. That's minus 6. So this is 3 into, minus 3 plus 10 is 7. Minus 5 into 6 minus 4 is minus, 6 minus 10, sorry, is minus 4. Minus 4 into 12 minus 6 is 6. And then 3 times 7 is 21. Minus 5 times minus 4 is plus 20. Minus 4 times 6 is minus 24. 21 plus 20 is 41. 41 minus 24 is 17. So that's the answer for number 3. And in number 4, you're told that if x, y can take values from the set 1 to 3, 4, find the probability that the product of x and y is not greater than 6. So this is my solution. X and y can be any of the values in this set. Now we are looking at the product of x and y. If we multiply their products, is any of them less than 6? That's what it's saying. Find probability that is not greater than 6. So for those that are less than 6, those will be what our focus will be on. However, to do this, you're going to write it in a tabular form. Here's what I mean. We have multiplication, that's product, and then we write the set 1, 2, 3, and 4. We also write it here 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Then we begin to multiply. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 3, 3, 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, and this is 8. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 times 4 is 16. How many of them are less than or equal to 6? That's what it means that x and y is not greater than 6, less or equal to 6. This is less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is bigger. You discover that this is also less than, and this. So these are the numbers less than 6. These are the numbers less than 6. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A probability that the number is less than or equal to 6, that is not greater than 6, is equal to 10 over the total number of possibilities, which is this 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10 over 16. So if we divide this by 2, this is 5. We divide this by 2, this is 8. Our answer is 5 over 8. Let's go to the last question for today, number 5. So this is a question on pie chart. The pie chart shows the monthly expenditure of a public servant, and the monthly expenditure on housing is twice that of school fees. How much does the worker spend on housing if his monthly income is 7,200, and this is the currency in naira? So this and this, that's food and transport, is available to us, but we don't know school fees, the degree, and for housing. So first of all, we will focus on this part where it says the monthly expenditure on housing is twice that of school fees. So it means that it will say let school fees be equals to x. Then means that housing, they said it's twice that of school fees. Housing will be 2 times x, right? Which is 2x. Now, how much does the worker spend? Before we get here, since we know that school fees is now x and housing is 2x, add up everything, it gives us 360 degrees. Okay, so this is x plus 2x plus 120 plus 90 equals to 360 degrees. 120 plus 90 is 210. So let's have it. S plus 2s is equal to 360 degrees. I said this is 210, so we move it to this side, minus 210 degrees. S plus 2s is 3x, so this is 3x is equal to 360 minus 210. I think that's 150. And then we divide both sides by 3. X will be equal to 50 degrees. So we've gotten the school fees in terms of degrees. However, for housing is 2x. Housing is 2x, which is 2 times 50 degrees, which is 100 degrees. Now the question says, how much does the worker spend on housing if his monthly income is this? Now I want to try and convert it from degrees to currency. Okay, you can't spend degrees, you can't spend 100 degrees. So let's try and convert this to currency. We have 100 is housing we are focused on, which is 100, over the total number. The total for degree is 360, in this case for circle, times 7,200. So this is cancelling this. 720 can be divided by 36, and this is 20. 20 times 100 is 2,000. So the amount the man spends, or whoever he is, spends on housing is 2,000 naira. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye. But before that, please do well to subscribe. Tomorrow I'm going to post another video, so check it out and follow me on Fun Online Maths. Like this video and also share it. Bye bye.